Let's make sure we good. Let's make sure we good. Can I see? All right, they should be able to. Yep. All right. Let me go ahead and. All right. All right. So this is just a quick preparation. Just wanted to get on here, guys, and give you guys a quick update and preparation. If you do end up catching this live stream, you can also ask any questions. If you want to ask any questions, you can go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the chat here, so give me a second. Give me a second here. But yeah, this is going to be a quick preparation and update video, guys, giving you guys an update on what's going on. All right, what's up, guys? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How you doing? How you doing? Hopefully you had a good weekend. So let's go ahead and quick run through the data for AMC. Basically, Monday this could change, but right now they got 3.3 million, so 3.3 million short shares available to borrow. Cost to borrow right now is sitting at 10%. Again, 3.3 million shares that they have available to borrow. We do not have new FTD data yet for this month, but we are still on the threshold security list, so obviously FTDs have been going up. So we should see an increase in FTDs. Oh, we did just get new FTD data. Okay, it just came in. So we got some new FTD data for September. So we got new FTD data for September. And yeah, we got more FTDs. FTDs are coming in hot. You guys can see we have more FTDs. So FTDs continually racking up. So we got FTD data coming in here, guys. Right down here are your FTDs that's supposed to be closing out. So we have FTDs coming in possibly as well. So lots of things going on, Still on the threshold security list. Short interest, no new short interest updates, but since the reverse split, we have had one report and it has gone up. So all good signs. Still being on the threshold security list, as well as being on the threshold security list, as well as being on the threshold security list, as well as these FTDs racking up. So this is all good stuff. So we're looking good, guys. We're looking good. Let's go ahead and look at what else. Let's go ahead and see what else we're looking at here. Also, news coming out with AMC. Obviously, the whole Taylor Swift thing's good. Taylor Swift's been taken off, so the stadiums, or the theaters, not the stadiums, have been absolutely packed. So as you guys can see, Taylor Swift is doing absolute numbers. So the theaters were packed over the weekend. I don't know if you guys seen any videos, but they literally just, all of the parking lots were just absolutely packed. So again, we're doing absolute numbers with this as well. So this is all good things for AMC as far as the fundamentals go, as far as the company goes, and the fact that they were also able to make money, because now that they obviously can do the dilution. Now this is obviously a bad thing for us because we want to squeeze, and this is what they're going to be using to control the squeeze. But as far as fundamentals, the short thesis is basically destroyed. We're also about to get a huge amount of new eyes on the company. because people are Googling AMC. We had a huge right here, the increase. Google searches for AMC theaters increase by 1,500%. So again, a lot of attention coming into AMC. So we have a lot of things going on. This guy is not someone you want for the board. By the way, you do not want this guy for the board, in my personal opinion. Do not let this guy get on the board. In my personal opinion, you can do what you want, but no, he's not. He pumped that GMBL stock First of all, that was a paid pump and dump. He got paid to pump that stock. So obviously he would be compromise his morals. If he'll compromise his morals for a couple dollars, I'm sure he'll compromise his morals for millions and millions of dollars. So no, he does not need to be on the board. But yeah, guys, companies' earnings doing incredible. And not only that, like we've been doing better quarter after quarter after quarter after quarter. This earnings that we're about to do is about to be insane. And GameStop's about to have a crazy earnings as well. GameStop, what up, Whimsy? What up, Whimsy in the building? Whimsy in the building. What up, Whimsy in the building? Press that like button, y'all. Press that like button, y'all. So run them numbers up for me. Press that like button, y'all. Run them numbers up for me. But y'all, listen, it's about to go down with AMC. We're about to be looking real good. Me personally, I just already did the transfers. So basically, I just need the money to go over in the morning. But I have I'm going to be buying AMC for a new position to trade. I'm going to be buying GME, new position to trade, as well as adding to my original position to average down on that, so I can be underneath these levels here, underneath the gap fill. So these levels here underneath the gap fill, somewhere between, if I can get under like $25, $28, that would be great, because I believe we're about to fill the gap this week. And I'm going to get to that here in a second. But I just want to talk to you guys about the fundamentals. The fundamentals of the company are really, really improved. They're really, really crushing it right now. So we have a lot of things going on for AMC and a lot of eyes on AMC right now. And now that the reverse split is done, people are going to actually be able to reinvest in the company without worrying about that. So we are looking good as far as all of these things are. As far as these things are concerned. Let me send out a few links, guys. Let me send out a few links and let everyone know I'm live. Also, press that like button, and let me send out a few links to let everyone know I'm live. All right, y'all, press that like button for me. Press that like button for me. I appreciate y'all for stopping in on the weekend. I hope you had a great weekend, by the way. Hope you had a great weekend, by the way. So anyways, guys, basically, I want to let you guys know, the fundamentals of the company are improving. We're looking good as far as that is concerned. And the news over the weekend has been crazy. So do you guys remember the last time we ran up crazy? Do you guys remember the last time we ran up crazy? There was a lot of news over the weekend. It was a 3-day weekend. The last time we had a big rally for AMC and we rallied to 72, it was a 3-day weekend and there was a lot of news. Guess what just happened? It was a 3-day weekend and there was a lot of news. So do you guys understand what I think is coming? There's a lot of things lining up. So I think we are about to see something on AMC. I'm also going to talk about GME as well. We're going to be looking at GME as well. So I got a fractal for GME. So we're going to be talking about GME and AMC here on the video. But I think something is coming, guys. We had a huge weekend. Also, earnings are about to be absolutely crushed. We had Barbie and Oppenheimer do absolute numbers at the box office. Barbie and Oppenheimer doing absolute numbers at the box office. Absolute insanity. As well as Taylor Swift. Yes, do you guys know Taylor Swift and Barbie and Oppenheimer combined with the numbers on with the coming up earnings are about to be absolutely insane. So when we see these numbers drop, it's going to get crazy, y'all. When we see the numbers drop, it's going to get crazy. So we're going to talk about a lot in this live, but this is going to be getting you guys updated for what I think is coming over the this week. Again, you want to check out the videos I dropped over the past couple of days because they're very, very important. I talk about AMC fractals and everything going down with AMC fractals and where I think we're at with things. But guys, we are looking good, man. We are looking good. So again, a lot of attention on us right now. AMC is looking like we are about to see a nice pop to the upside in my personal opinion. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. Again, fundamental-wise, we are absolutely killing it. Let's go ahead and look at the fundamental data. Looking at the fundamental data and then look at the technicals and show all the reasons why AMC is bullish and about to take off. And again, more speculative things. It's been a 3-day weekend. Last time we had a 3-day weekend with a bunch of news. We took off. We had a massive, massive rally. So guys, I think all of these things are setting up for another rally. So we're going to get into all this and more in this video. So now, fundamental data, looking at fundamental data, not fundamentals of the company, fundamental data. We have been on the threshold security list, I believe, for about 48 to 49 days, as of September 1st, we are still on the threshold security list. So as of September 1st, we're still on the threshold security list. We do not have the new data yet, but we will when the market opens. We will have that new data, but as of September 1st, we're still on the threshold security list. New FTD data just came out. New FTD data did just come out, so we do have updates here for September. I do apologize. I thought that said September. I thought I had seen an update. It might have been a glitch for September here. Closeout dates, T plus 35. Yeah, 9. September, yeah. So right here, September dating. Yep. So we do have T plus 35 closeout dates for September here. Right here are the T plus 35 closeout dates for September. So we do have T plus 35 closeout dates for September as well. So some new FTD data did come in. Short interest is at 29.24%, increasing. So this is all bullish. Right now, they do have those 3.3 million short shares. Again, I told you guys they were sitting on this for something. Guess what they're sitting on? This week that's coming up and the next week. So this week coming up, this week that we have right now, and next week are about to be crazy. This week right now and the next week coming up are about to be insane, and that's why they were sitting on these short shares. I told you guys something was coming because I seen the way AMC was building a bullish base, basically based off of the technicals. When we looked at the technicals, I seen the way AMC was building a bullish base, so I already knew that we were setting up for a run. So let's go ahead and look at why I think based off of the technicals, we're about to see a rally on AMC stock. So we have another earnings date, okay? We have another earnings date here in It looks like a little bit after November. November the 9th, possibly. I think we should have one before that. But anyways, so guys, if you haven't seen my new video, you want to check that out. If you haven't seen my new video, you want to check that out. And also press that like button, guys. Press that like button. Press that like button for me. Press that like button for me. We got, let's see how many people we got in the building so far. Got 61 people in the building. I appreciate you guys stopping in on the weekend. You dig? So again, yeah, fundamentals looking good, and then fundamental data looking good. So we got lots of eyes on AMC, lots of things going on with the AMC. I smell FOMO, y'all. I smell FOMO. So again, also AMC playing out a bullish pattern. So we have AMC in this. Basically, it's inside of a bull flag. So we'll get to that here. Hey, what's up, y'all? So if you guys see here, the price action that we're looking at right now, very, very similar to what we're about to see, guys. Do you guys see this? How you have a push up, you come down, you push up higher, you come down. You have a valley, then you rally. Let's look at AMC on the 15-minute time frame. So you push up, you come down. You have a higher peak, you come down. You have a valley. What comes next? A rally. I believe we're about to see a rally either on Tuesday or Wednesday after we break out of this bull flag. And me personally, I'm going to be buying on Wednesday, or I'm going to be buying on Tuesday. So if you haven't checked out my last video on, I showed you guys on how this whole thing's a repeating fractal that repeats over and over again. Basically how this segment here is a condensed version of this whole segment here. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. But that's what I've been talking about all weekend. Basically, this whole section here is this. You just condense it onto a smaller time frame. So the whole thing is one repeating pattern. So we're going to see a rally on AMC stock. And me personally, I'm buying tomorrow to get my average down, and I'm also buying new shares to trade. Because if we see the gaps get filled, that's a 100 to a 200%. Let's go back real quick. Make sure you press that like button, y'all. Make sure you guys press that like button. So, if you guys missed the beginning of the stream, you guys might want to rewind. But basically, I explained how all the news is exactly how we had exactly how when we ran up to 72, we had a bunch of news, and it was a 3-day weekend. That's exactly what happened when we ran up to 72. It was a 3-day weekend. We had a bunch of news. Now we had a 3-day weekend, and we just had a bunch of news. So it's all like the same thing that's happening. Now, if we see this move, here, let's go ahead and do this. If we see this move, y'all, that's going to be a 300% move. So you easily could get 150 to 300% gains off of this move. So me personally, I have some shares that I'm going to be playing for a trade, and I'm getting some shares to average down my original position that went through the split, and then I'm getting new shares in a separate account that I have for a trade. Again, that's a 300% move, easy. Half of that would be easy, 180% you could also get. So I believe AMC is going to go up and fill these gaps. And I believe this is going to happen over the next couple of days. You guys can see the dates on the bottom of the screen. So you can see by the end of the day or by the end of the week, the gaps will get filled. I believe AMC is going to come up, fill the gaps, come back down, and have to consolidate in between this range before either coming down or setting up for another rally. So me personally, I'm going to average down below the levels of the gap fill, probably around 28 and lower. Anything 28 and lower is going to be good. And that way I can possibly get out if I need to. So we're going to see what happens. Everyone needs to figure out their own plan, but that is my plan personally. But I think we're about to see a major rally, so I'm about to get some gains off of that. You guys already know how I played GameStop last week. We murdered GameStop last week. Beast in GameStop last week. I'm in GameStop now, but I'm also getting new shares for a trade as well for AMC and GameStop. This is all for next week, or this week, coming this week now. Already made the transfer already made the transfer orders. Just waiting for the market to open up. Now, what's happening next? I told you guys they were sitting on those shares for something. They were sitting on those shares because a rally was going to come. Press that like button, guys. Press that like button. And make sure you guys check out my video where I talk about the fractals. I posted the fractals video, y'all. And again, press that like button, please. So I just posted the fractal video in the chat. We are worldwide for sure. Yeah, we're definitely worldwide. DataZero family's global. So guys, I have a fractal for GME as well. DataZero family global. You know what it is? Real trap shit. The live starts at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. Tune into my channel 9:15 Eastern Standard Time for the live tomorrow. And if you have to, like, just even if you work, man, just check in or listen with your headphones or check in or just check in to press that like button. All of that helps me out a lot. If you want to show your love and support for me, all you got to do is just check in, hop in and say, hey, checking in on the comments. Maybe throw up your city. Checking in, throw up your city. Hit that like button. But always try to check in on the live streams, y'all, and I appreciate you guys' support. So basically, guys, I want to show you something. Here is the fractal before GME's last run-up. And I want to show you something, guys. So as you guys can see, it has 1, 2, 3 peaks, okay? Look at GME's current price action. 1, 2, 3 peaks. Then you launch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And here's the 3 peaks on GME's price action now. 1, 2, 3. Not only that, it has a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for the fractal. 1, 2, 3. 3 bottoms. Notice how this bottom is slightly higher than these two. So the first 2 bottoms are slightly lower than the third bottom. Look at GME's current price action. These 2 bottoms are slightly lower than this bottom. On the fractal, these 2 bottoms so I'll mark the line in orange. Follow the orange line. You see the orange line? Let me mark it. All right, guys, you see the orange line? Bottom 1, bottom 2. Notice how it's slightly higher than the third bottom. Now look at the white line. Bottom 1, bottom 2. Notice how the third bottom is slightly higher. So I believe GME is also about to see a push to the upside as well. I believe GME is about to rally into earnings and then possibly start taking off after earnings. Once GME breaks out of this macro falling wedge here, we're going to change the falling wedge's colors. Once GME breaks out of this macro falling wedge, it's over. And that's what I believe is about to happen. We also have more evidence that the fractal is lining up with GME as well. Guys, press that like button. So if you look at the 3 tops on GME, I lined them up with blue horizontal or vertical lines. And if you look, they're almost similar to the 3 tops of the bars pattern. So if you look, this one completely lines up. This is the only one that misses. Here's the second top, and here's the second top here. But here's the third top. The third top lines up, and the first top lines up completely. So I believe we're about to get this bounce out of this macro triple bottom for GME. Again, you come down, bottom number 1, bounce, bottom number 2, bounce, bottom number 3, bounce, riding back to the upside. I also believe Bed Bath & Beyond is about to see a movement to the upside. And I believe the market is going to be crashing here in September. So I believe the market's going to be crashing here in September, late September, early October. I believe the market's going to be crashing. And this can also affect AMC and GME. And then again, me personally, my plan is to average down on AMC first thing on Tuesday. I believe SPY is about to see a red week. I think it's about to start pulling back. Make sure you guys check out my weekly prediction and update video. But I believe SPY is about to start pulling back as it breaks down from this bear flag. I believe Bed Bath & Beyond is about to see a push up. If it can break above 26 cents and use that as support, you could see a nice move to the upside for Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm accumulating Bitcoin in these ranges. If Bitcoin does see a pullback, I will be accumulating with Bitcoin. I do think it might initially pull back with the market when the market crashes, but it will divert from the market, in my personal opinion. I'm actually getting ready to pick up some crypto here soon. Probably in the next day or so. I'll let you guys know what coins I get. Probably some Bitcoin and something, maybe XRP and maybe something else. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and something else. I'm trying to think. I think these SQQQ positions are about to pay out nicely, guys. Not financial advice. But again, also, the dividends that you get from this, man, are crazy. So the dividends, I looked at my dividends for SQQQ, man, they're crazy. If you got like 100 grand that you can sit on, if you got like 100 grand you can put into these things, man, you put 100 grand in SQQ and 100 grand in SPY, you can live off the dividends. You can live off the dividends each year. Put 100 grand in SPY and put 100 grand in SQQQ, and that way you're hedged, and you can live off the dividends. Or just put 100 grand or 200 grand in the coin Atom. 20% APY. Make sure you guys press that like button. So I believe we're going to see AMC at 20 to or 30 to 40 bucks by the end of the week. Not financial advice. And again, me personally, I'm buying some to trade, and I'm buying some to average down on my main position. The main position I'm going to hold. I'm buying new AMC in Webull and on E-Trade. I don't know what happened to my AMC shares on Webull, so I'm just going to buy some new ones. And I'm going to buy some on E-Trade on my main position. So I'm buying some to trade and buying some to hold to average down. Make sure you guys check out the video that I just dropped. I posted it in the chat. Make sure you check out the video I just dropped. I posted it in the chat, the Fractals video, showing why I think we're about to see a rally. Also, guys, you know with the technical analysis, if you've been watching the streams, I've been saying AMC's building a bottom. Right now, it's building an inverse head and shoulders. Right here's your shoulder. Right here's your head. Right here's your shoulder. So again, we're forming an inverse head and shoulders on AMC. And we're also forming a bull flag. And then we have the bars pattern saying that we're going to see a breakout. So again, we have multiple things. We have multiple things letting us know that we're going to see a push to the upside for AMC stock, in my personal opinion. Inverse head and shoulders. as well as the bull flag breakout. And then, of course, the bars pattern fractal segment. And you guys can see how very similar this particular bull flag that we're in is. Look, you have a push up, you come down. You have a higher peak, you come down, you rally. You push up, you come down. You have a higher peak, you come down, you rally. This bull flag is very, 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 very distinct. This is the bull flag, the launch segment to the upside. That's why I'm saying we're going to see a rally to the upside, in my personal opinion. So I believe we see AMC make a nice push to the upside, guys. So basically what we might be waiting for is AMC to make one more bottom. You guys can see if we draw a straight line across, we have 3 bottoms. 1, 2, 3. Here, we only have 2 so far. You see how it comes up and then comes back down, goes up, comes back down, makes a bottom, goes up, comes back down, makes a bottom, and then gets a nice push up all the way into its higher peak. So comes up, comes down, gets a bottom, pushes all the way up into its higher peak. We need one more bottom. So we need one more bottom here, which is right here. We have that. So we're probably going to need one more retest. So we might be coming back down to the levels of $12. So that would be perfect. $12, and so these are going to probably be my buying levels that I'm looking at to get in on Tuesday. So yeah, I'm going to be looking to buy underneath $13. We're probably going to come back down underneath $13 before we take off. So me personally, I'm going to be grabbing before $13. So I'm going to be trying to grab underneath $13. All right, guys, so you can see how you push up. You come back down sharply. You have to bottom once, and then you go all the way up into your main peak. I can even move this down for you guys so you can see it goes all the way to its main peak. and then has to come back down, bottom once, and then bottom again. So hopefully that's going to give us the perfect buy, or give me the perfect buying opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice. So me personally, I think we're going to come back down one more time, having to retest these lows of about $12.25. And I'm going to be looking to buy underneath $13 at $12.50, $12.75. Anything under $13 is going to be my buying range. Again, this is my personal strategy, not financial advice. I'm going to be looking to do this on Tuesday and Wednesday because I believe we're going to see the move Tuesday or Wednesday. I believe we're going to see the move Tuesday or Wednesday. Again, this is not financial advice. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC stock. Again, I just showed you guys research as well as why I think GME is going to be taking off as well. So I do think we're going to see a movement to the upside for GME stock as well. And if you look at the bull flag that Amy's in right now, it also shows 2 days time. 1, 2. So yes, we'll probably be definitely retesting this $12 level. So I expect us to probably have a drop back down here on Tuesday, and then probably start moving to the upside Wednesday. So I'm going to be looking to definitely get in on Tuesday. Not financial advice, me personally, to average down on my main position and then also get some shares to trade. I do believe GameStop and AMC are about to both see a major move to the upside based off of the technicals, fundamentals, bars pattern analysis, and fractal analysis, fundamental analysis as well. So again, multiple analysis styles put together to equal one massive master analysis style. And guys, as you can see, it gets you very accurate results. I do think we're going to see a movement to the downside on SPY, in my personal opinion. Again, your weekly prediction and update, I did drop that. Weekly prediction and update, weekly candle is going to be red on SPY. I do predict a red candle on SPY, green on AMC and GME. Last week's predictions were actually all accurate. I predicted a green weekly candle for SPY, and that's what we got. I predicted a green weekly candle for AMC. That's what we got. And I predicted a green weekly candle for GME. That's what we got. A lot of people think that SPY was about to go to the moon. Me personally, I am short the market with SQQQ. I do think SQQQ is going to be paying out here soon between the mid-September, late September into October. I think September is going to be a down month for the market, and October is going to be a down month for the market, which means SQQQ would pay out greatly, and I do think that position is going to pay out nicely. It also is paying really good dividends as well. As you guys can see, SPY in a macro bear flag. So again, me personally, my strategy is going to be getting in on Tuesday for AMC stock. I do see a nice buying opportunity here for AMC, not financial advice. And again, you guys can see how similar the price action is. It's eerily similar. That's because it's all one repeating fractal, and this is the algorithm cracked. So if AMC can break above 1365 when it does, that's going to be the takeoff zone. And you guys can see how the bars pattern even shows it. Look how it shows it breaking above, coming back down to retest that 1365 level, and taking off. And I told you guys in my video update, if AMC can break above 1365, I told you guys that in my video update, if AMC can break above 1365, you're going to see it launch. Because look what else is at 1365. The bull flag. And you see that major support and resistance line? So again, if AMC can break above 1365, and use that as support, that's going to be the takeoff zone. So again, I'm looking to buy anything under $13 in my personal opinion. I'm looking to buy anything under $13. I'm loading up under $13, getting my average down. 1365 is the takeoff zone. Once we break above that level, we're going to see a launch. Multiple signs showing that is the takeoff level. And once we break above that, things are going to get crazy once we get above that 1365 level. GameStop probably needs to break above 1950. Once GameStop breaks above 1950, we should see a nice push to the upside on GameStop once it breaks above 1950. GameStop accumulation, in my personal opinion, you want to get anything under 1850. If you can get anything under 1850, that's a good buy in my personal opinion. Anything under 18 to 1850 is a good buy in my personal opinion. If you're in the Discord, you want to check out the Discord. I did drop new GameStop plays in the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, check out the call options and stock plays room, because I did drop new games or new plays for GameStop in the Discord. I don't care if they believe or not. They're going to believe when it rallies. I don't care. I'm about to make this money. Look, this is the thing for now on. I don't care. This is the thing for now on, guys. Some of you guys message me and tell me, like, and I appreciate you guys letting me know what's going on. But some of you guys, like, message me and say, hey, this person's talking crap, or this person's live and they're talking crap. Look, it's all free promo. The only reason these people talk crap on me and hate on me is because they see me shining, they see me coming up, they see me giving right predictions, they see me doing everything. They're just hating, bro. That's why they're doing what they're doing, okay? Long story short, they're hating. They see me coming up, they see the numbers growing, they see the predictions being accurate. I don't care no more, bro. I'm going to let my numbers speak for me. All right, I'm going to let my numbers speak for me. So I appreciate y'all letting me know what's up, but I don't care if they don't believe in me, because I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm making money off of these moves. Because I put my money where my mouth is. Every time I call out these trades, I'm making money off of these trades. Every time I give these predictions, and these predictions are right all the time, I'm making money off of all of those predictions. I put my money where my mouth is, and so it don't matter. I'm eating, so it's all good. But yeah, guys, I'm buying underneath 13 in my personal opinion. It looks like we have a little bit more consolidation before we take off. LOL, love your responses, Data. Hey, I just keep it real, dog. I really don't care no more, for real. Because I'm going to let my numbers speak for me, dog. And people hate, they're just hating on me, man. They're just hating on me. My channel is blowing up. My channel is literally blowing up every single day. And the way that I am too, like, people are gonna hate on me, man. It just is what it is. People are gonna hate on me, especially how fast the channel's growing. People are not gonna like me. But I always put my money where my mouth is, and put my money where my mouth is with my predictions, and make money off the I make money off my plays. I make money off my plays. All right, this looks good, guys. Press that like button for me. Yeah, and remember, guys, even if you work, man, when I do the streams, even if I work, please pop in and just say hi. Pop in, say hi. Press that like button. I stream every day on the weekdays, market open to market close. So make sure you just pop in, say, hey, what up? Checking in. DZ family in the building, you know what I mean? Let me know. And press that like button. Or listen on your headphones, because I know some of y'all be working. But make sure you pop in and show that love and support. Shut up, bro. Yo, I went to the dispensary, dog. I'm on them Eddies. You did. Slow motion with it. Yo. Hey. Run around the park and we get it. Coming up the top looking fitted. And these people money small like a midget. I just all about my digits. Yeah. Flow like an AK. Coming at their face like flowing nays. Hold up. Hold on. But yeah, man, it's all good for now on, family. It's all good for now on, family, for real. It's all good for now on, family. I think I like that motto. I make money off my plays. Yeah, I make money off my plays, man. And I put my money where my mouth is. Everything I say, that's all these predictions that come right, I make a bank off of that. So I don't really care. And my channel's blowing up. The Datazero family right now, let's check how much, where we at. That's why they mad. I'm surpassing everybody. 8,919, y'all. 8,919. We're about to be at 9,000 strong. We're going to be at 10,000 before the end of the year, guys. Datazero family is going to be 10,000 strong by the end of the year. But guys, I'm buying underneath 13. I'm averaging down. I think we're going to see a little bit of consolidation before the next move to the upside. This is what I'm looking at for AMC. Again, look at this very, very closely. I have it marked. You guys can see the dates down here at the bottom of your screen. Not that I want to give you guys dates, but it is what it is. You guys can see that once we break above, and this is our breakout line. So I'm going to make this what? Gold, yellow. What should I make it? Yellow. That's our breakout line. That yellow line. I need to make it a different color. Blue. I will make it this. Let's make it green. Once we break above that green line and use it as support, that's the takeoff line. So we break above green line, it's over. Make sure you guys press that like button. I appreciate you guys for stopping in. I appreciate you guys for stopping in. I appreciate you. Nah, I had to cut back on smoking, bro. I had to go to the store and get the edibles and stuff only, man. I can't be smoking that much. It's bad for your lungs, dog. I got a prescription, bro. I'm all legal. You feel me? I don't do anything illegal in my life. I'm by the book. I pay my taxes. The only thing I fear is God and taxes. You feel me? Thanks, bro. I appreciate you, dog. I feel like the man, bro. I feel like the man. Especially after my birthday. All of y'all gave me so much love. Y'all gave me so much love, man. Y'all gave me so much love. This is how crazy it was on my birthday. Y'all gave me so much love, and I got love from so many different people that everyone in my life officially said, bro, you're a celebrity for real. That's how much love y'all gave me, and I can't thank y'all enough. They said, yo, you're famous for real, dude. They said at the very least you're a YouTube celebrity, because that's how much love y'all gave me. Like people in my everyday life, like on my Facebook and my friends and shit, my family. Yeah, make sure you guys stop in tomorrow. Press that like button if you're just coming in. This is preparation for tomorrow. This is just preparation for tomorrow, y'all. I'm just getting you guys ready and prep for tomorrow. So, guys, basically, take a look of the last segment for AMC. That's the layout. I gave you guys the layout. And then here's the layout for GameStop, y'all. I'm trying to buy GameStop underneath. So I want to get my GameStop underneath 1850. Anything under 1850. I already have some, but I'm getting some for a new trade. I just loaded up my account. So I'm looking for anything under 1850, me personally. I think GameStop's about to rally. I'm looking for this. AMC is about to have a nice rally, about to have a 2 to 300% possibly. So I'm looking for that for a trade as well. I think SKQQ is going to be paying out here shortly, late September, early October. I believe the market crash starts. But anyways, GameStop also has a setup for a launch to the upside as well. I just went over earlier in stream. But basically, guys, I just wanted to get on here, man, and give you guys a prep and update for where I think we're headed and where I think we're going. I think AMC is about to see a nice move to the upside here very, very shortly. Again, this is not financial advice. I think we have basically the next 2 days for AMC to load up. This is what I'm doing. I'm loading up 2 days. 2 days. Okay, I'm loading up 2 days. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm loading up on Tuesday. Me personally, I'm loading up Tuesday. Me personally. So again, not financial advice. You guys got to do what you do. Make your own plan. But basically, I think we're going to see this move happening here on AMC within the next week. So this week right now, within this trading week, I think we're going to see AMC make this move one more time before we take off here. Just want to show you guys a few things. Also, make sure you check out my last video too, because I did a video about XRP, giving you guys an update on XRP. And again, these are all moon positions for me. XRP, AMC, GME, Bed Bath & Beyond, not Bed Bath & Beyond, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Dude, I didn't even vote yes. This guy's retarded. Bro, you're dumb as shit, bro. You think what you say First of all, do you think what you say bothers me? I'm not even going to delete what you're saying because I don't even care. You're just some normie, bro. You mean nothing to me, bro. Your girlfriend's probably my fan, dog. Like, you mean nothing to me, dog. Like, you're just some normie, bro. I'm the YouTuber, bro. Like, hop off my dick, dog. Your opinion means nothing, bro. You're just a wagey to me, dog. That's the funniest thing. Like, do you really think I care what you say, dog? For real? Data, pull up the 1 hour on GME. Hold on. I want to show people the AMC plan real quick. All right, hold on. We'll pull up the GME on here. I think we're about to see a squeeze. I don't know about GME. I know GME is about to rally stupid. I think GME is going to probably go to at least 25 to 30 bucks. Again, this is all not financial advice. I think the next week or two is going to be crazy. the next week or two is definitely going to be crazy. But guys, I just wanted to get on here, man, and let y'all know basically what was popping. Let you guys know what my plan was and just make sure everything was clear. And if you had any questions, I wanted to answer those questions. I didn't know if you guys were like confused about anything that I said in the videos. I thought the videos basically gave you guys a pretty clear idea of what's going on and where I'm at with things and where I think things are going. Again, I think AMC is about to come up and fill these gaps. This is all going to happen within a week. So AMC, I think, is going to fill this gap within a week and then have to come back down and consolidate. Me personally, again, I'm averaging down. So you guys can do what you do. But me personally, I'm averaging down and then also getting shares to trade because I do think I'm going to be able to make a trade off of this as well. So that is what I'm doing personally. Bro, yeah, they just be hating, bro. They just be hating. That's the funniest thing. They be hating, dog. Miserable because the Datazero family get money. They be mad because the Datazero family get money. Oh yeah, yes, Sandy. Thank you. I enjoy my birthday a lot. My birthday was so awesome, y'all. Y'all made me feel so good, and I appreciate y'all. I want to thank each and every one of you that wished me happy birthday for real. You guys really helped me make my birthday special. So if you're hearing this and you wish me happy birthday, just know that I appreciate you. So if you hear this message, literally, and you wish me happy birthday, literally know that I appreciate you because you helped make my day extra special. Again, you guys had it, people calling me famous. People were like, yo, you're famous for real. Like my family members and my friends and stuff, they're like, yo, you're famous for real. They're like, you're famous for real. I was like, bro, I don't think I'm famous. They're like, nah, bro, you're famous. I was like, all right, if you say so, man. I don't think I'm famous, but it's whatever. Just a YouTuber. But yeah, guys, I think GME is about to see a breakout too. So I'm looking to trade GME. Looking to trade GME. As far as Bitcoin goes, I think Bitcoin might see a little bit more pullback to the downside. Basically, I think they're going to try to bleed Bitcoin out. Maybe make it go down to like 22K. And then have like a quick wick to like 18K. But like a wick so fast that you can't buy. Sometimes Bitcoin does these crazy wicks that's so far down and so fast you can't even buy it. And then start rallying back to the upside. I think Bitcoin's going to have a bull run in 2024. Again, you guys already know how I feel about that. We broke out of this falling wedge. Also, we have the buy signals on the weekly time frame with the super trend, and we have the monthly MACD flipped to green as well. Monthly MACD flipped to green as well. All bullish indications for Bitcoin. So I do think we're going to see a move to the upside for Bitcoin here in the near future as far as the macro is concerned. And then if we look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, you guys already know what it is as well. With the Bitcoin rainbow chart, this is a chart that I like to show you guys a lot because Bitcoin historically basically is in historical lows. Also, if you look at the crypto fear and greed, you guys will see that it's basically in fear, and you always want to do the opposite of the herd because 90% of the people lose money. And as you guys can see right now, crypto is in fear, and this is why I say it's going to decouple from the stock market, because if you look at the market fear and greed right now, you guys will see that the market fear and greed is actually in greed. So watch. Market fear and greed, you guys can see, is in greed. As you guys can see, market fear and greed, but crypto fear and greed is in fear. So again, this is multiple reasons why I think crypto is going to decouple from the market as well. And then if we look at the market psychology chart, if you guys go ahead and look at the market psychology chart, we can also see that I believe that the market is actually in the complacency stage while Bitcoin is actually in the disbelief rally. So I think Bitcoin is actually in the disbelief stage right now, and it has already gone through the anger and depression phase right here, anger and depression, while the market is actually in the complacency stage and needs to go through all of this phase still. So that's why I think Bitcoin is actually going to decouple from the stock market, and that's why I am heavy long on Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin is going to decouple from the stock market. Again, if we look at the macroeconomics, and macro is one of my specialties, macroeconomics and then the macro charting, you guys can see that you kind of go up and then you rally to the upside before seeing a drop to the downside and this upwards consolidation chop, which is the complacency stage. Then you see a massive drop to the downside. You guys can see a massive amount of divergences right now because price keeps going up and up and up and up, but RSI keeps going down and down and down and down. This is a monthly divergence, on the RSI, okay? So it is not looking good for these stocks. Also, you can see on the weekly time frame, RSI has an overall downtrend, but price is an overall uptrend. Again, not good for the bearish divergences. So again, I think the market is going to see an overall crash to the downside. And if you look at the chart, you kind of go up, then you go parabolic, then you drop down, upwards consolidation chop. That is your complacency stage. And if you go ahead, you kind of go up, then you go parabolic, you drop down, upwards consolidation chop. This is your complacency stage before drop to the downside. If you look at Bitcoin, though, if you go ahead and look at Bitcoin and see what you're looking at with Bitcoin, you guys can see that you go to the upside, you drop down, and this upwards consolidation chop was your complacency stage for Bitcoin. Then you drop down into anger and depression. Anger and depression is a lower low. Well, look, anger, depression. Anger, depression. Then you go into your disbelief rally. Your disbelief rally has a slight pullback. See your slight pullback on your disbelief rally. You're a little bit of capitulation on your disbelief rally. That's why I say Bitcoin might have a quick wick down and then a quick snack to the upside. In fact, I think that is what Bitcoin is going to be doing, is probably have a quick wick down, a small capitulation, and then have a immediate bounce to the upside. Probably when the market starts to crash, like you see, it's already starting to have a little bit of pullback. It's probably going to have a quick wick down, a little bit of a capitulation, quick wick down, and then an immediate bounce back to the upside, rallying to the upside, going back into a disbelief, euphoria type rally, repeating the stage, going back to the upside before having a massive blow off top. And again, this is why I think it's decoupling from the market as well on the macro time frames, as well as breaking out of a bullish ascending, bullish falling wedge, while the market is in a bearish bear flag. So the market has a macro bear flag, while Bitcoin has a bullish falling wedge. So again, multiple reasons based off the technicals and psychologies on why I think Bitcoin is going to decouple from the market. Also, you guys can see that green weekly MACD. This MACD normally correlates with bull runs in Bitcoin. You guys can see that we have the MACD flip, and then, of course, the weekly buy signals as well, on the super trend. Guys, if you're just coming in, press that like button. If you're just coming in, press that like button for me. Do press that like button for me if you're just coming in. And also check me out tomorrow. I will be streaming tomorrow when the market opens at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. Tune in to catch me here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and briefing and let you guys know what I'm looking at for AMC, giving you guys a quick rundown, and also checking out the crypto market. And then also, you want to buy when people are fearful and be greedy when others are fearful. And right now, crypto is in fear. More evidence that it's time to be buying crypto and selling stocks. Buying crypto and selling stocks. Why? Scaling out of stocks because stocks are in greed. Again, stay away from people. The herd is always wrong. So if this is a way to judge what the herd is doing, this is also a way to use this with the cycles chart, when you use this with the cycles chart, it's a great way to judge the psychology and emotions of what's going on. You can tell that people are being greedy and it's in the complacency stage. You know that's a time that you do not want to be in the market, okay? Now that you guys can see that it's in the fear stage and the disbelief stage for crypto, you know that's a time that you probably want to be accumulating before the next bull run. Again, not financial advice. This is just what I'm looking at. Be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. 90% of the people lose money in the market. You always want to do the opposite of the herd, and it is very, very clear that people are scared in crypto right now, and people are being very, very greedy. They're very, very bullish in stocks, saying Nvidia is going to go to the moon, Apple's going to go to the moon, it's going to go to all-time highs, it's going to be a new bull run. That's when you want to be fearful and scaling out of your positions, because that is what a top looks like. But guys, this is pretty much everything I have for you guys. I just wanted to get on here real quick and give you guys this update. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, I will be here tomorrow, 9 Eastern Standard Time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going over everything. Basically, guys, just rewind the stream if you want to check out the strategy for AMC. We are looking good for AMC for the move to the upside. Again, there's also a lot of news with Taylor Swift and everything as well. Bullish fundamentals, bullish technicals, bullish bars pattern, bullish fractals, bullish indicators. So, again, lots of things going on with AMC. Me personally, I'm going to be getting in on Tuesday, buying more stock to trade, because I think we're about to see a nice move to the upside on AMC and GameStop. Again, if we took off from here on AMC, right here alone, that's 280%. So you guys can see this could be a massive move to the upside for AMC stock. And I am going to try to average down and get my average as low as possible. Also, I'm accumulating Bitcoin, altcoins, XLM, XRP, Cardano, Atom, Polygon, Ethereum. These are the coins I'm focusing on. I do think crypto is going to be taking over, and me personally, I do, based off of the way that I invest, I do think it is going to be a very, very good investment. I think that buying right now is a good time in my personal opinion, and I am going to be buying more, and I have been buying more in these ranges, accumulating. I was accumulating at 15,000 on Bitcoin because people said Bitcoin was dead, and normally when people say Bitcoin is dead, that is a definite trigger. So all of these things made me want to buy Bitcoin right now for a daily buy signal on the daily time frame. Also MACD flipping, but it looks like it's struggling to keep momentum. Might see a little bit of a pullback. If it does pull back, I'm going to be snapping that up. Definitely going to be snapping that up, looking for as low prices as possible. Anything under 31,000, I'll be accumulating. And let's see what else. And then, yeah, coins that I like are just Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, XLM. I think SQQQ is going to be paying out nicely. Again, not financial advice. That's a high risk, high reward play. If the market crashes, you already know I'm eating off of that. I'm going to be looking to buy more AMC tomorrow. And I'll let you guys know what coins I buy. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, the market's showing greed. Cycles, went over that. Showed the bearish divergence. Also, Apple, some of the stocks holding the market up, like Apple, the tech stocks, they have a bearish divergence. So if you go ahead and look at Apple's weekly chart, you can see that price keeps going up and up and up, while RSI is actually trending down. If you look at the monthly and the weekly chart, so RSI is trending down while price is trending up. That's classic divergence on a huge scale. So these are like the stocks that are holding the market up are not looking good. You can also see that volume is just like drying up as well. You can see that volume's in an overall downtrend. So these rallies that these stocks are in are not healthy at all, and they've been in multi-month-long bull markets, and they are due for major pullbacks. And if Apple pulls back down to these lower levels, it's going to be devastating for the market, and that would make SQQQ print out insane. NVIDIA has multiple gap fills to the downside. I think NVIDIA's here going to be seeing a top very soon. Filling these gap fills to the downside as it breaks out of this bear flag, which is already starting to break out of now, to the downside. Already starting to give sell signals. Yeah, not looking good. So I think the market's going to be pulling back here this week. Again, my weekly predictions were red candle for this week on SPY, green candle on AMC, and green candle on GME. Last week's predictions were correct. But, guys, I appreciate you guys for stopping in. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. And thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you press that like button on the way out. And make sure you stop in on the next live update for Datazero, the next live update, which will be tomorrow for the markets. Guys, you already know what it is, too. Make sure you have fun. Stay safe. Guys, I just want to point out quickly, look how perfect the bars pattern reacts with support and resistance. So you see this crucial support and resistance level here. Look how the bars pattern sees this rally up to it, reject off of it, come back down, and then break through it and blast off. So I definitely think we're going to be filling the gap fill this week. Yeah, and it's like a cup and hand. It's almost like it's an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, and then here's your shoulder. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and give you guys an update, let you guys know what was going on. So again, if you didn't see early in the stream, our breakout point, as soon as AMC breaks out above 1365 and uses that as support, you want to see it break above, come back down, retest 1365 as support. It's going to launch. Me personally, I'm buying under 13 and accumulating. I want everyone to have a good night. Make sure you get rested for tomorrow. Next week is going to be lit, or this week is going to be lit, y'all. This week's going to be lit. The streams are going to be awesome. So get rested. We ride tomorrow. DataZero family, we ride tomorrow. Make sure y'all stay safe. Make sure you have fun. Make sure y'all get that money. We get our chance tomorrow. Market opens tomorrow. Can't wait to see y'all there. Again, make sure y'all check in. Make sure y'all check in. Even if y'all work, make sure you just pop in.